Getting married. Yes, we are. She had to like like taking 6 hours. Like there's so much to learn. What Sorry.
Hold something now. You've got Team Bride with you.
Yeah, I got it. I don't know where I put it.
It's there.
Why did I get that?
I thought, Akanksha, can you figure out Bride to be?
I only live. Your bride is not there. There.
No, they're there on the sofa. There's one over there.
What are you taking a video of?
Yeah.
Say something. I can see only few of you in the camera.
Alright. I'm the cute one.
No, wait. Oh. You said you will tell something in Telugu.
I know. Idi chala bagundi. That's all I know.
Edi chala bagundi. No, edi ante I'm asking you what is
Can I? You should do something.
Sit.
Second shot.
They look natural if I look at it. No, I think
It's from me and Renita.
Yeah, I got that. Very good directly at the camera.
I'll sit now.
I don't have anything Jimmy Choo. I think. I said I don't. And this will go really well with my cocktail dress.
Yay! That's what we thought.
That is if it comes on time. So he was helping us shoot all the pictures for today, and his name is Navneet. I'll leave his Instagram handle here. Find him for anything which you want pictures, and yeah, check out his Instagram.
I don't know. And it's act because I might not know or have enough knowledge to stimulate to. So I thought animal man for maybe very jumpy and symbolic.
అసలు సినిమా ఎఫెక్ట్ చేసేటప్పుడు
ఏమైంది? This day started super early at 6 a.m. for Deeparajana, and then I got ready and all my friends were there to help me. And here we go, we did the Haldi and then Mangalasnanam. So here are some pictures because I still don't have the footage from all of this. I didn't get it from the photographers yet. That's my mom and her sister and my brother and dad. We had a fun time, but I caught cold the next day. My friends, my brother, and my sister in law. Here's my mom and her sisters and some relatives getting me to the Pellikuturu function, which again I don't have footage of. I was facing the back to my audience or people sitting around and doing the puja, which is so strange. And then headed to the location that is Daspala, where the mandap was, where the wedding was, and these amazing women gave me my bridal makeover.
Yeah. Hi. Hi, this is Shweta. So she did my hair and Saree today, and I'll leave her Instagram right here in the description box. Thank you. Bye. Guys, I'm done with my bridal makeup, and Gurleen did my makeup, and you can see that it's so beautiful and everything is just so perfect. They helped me with the saree draping, hair, and she's done my makeup. Thank you so much, Gurleen.
Thank you for choosing me.
I'll leave her details in the description box. Do check her out.
Ask him to.
చూడకూడదు పెళ్లి ముందు అట్లా ఏమన్నా ఉందా? Yes.
మనకేం తెలియదు అలాంటి.
I don't know if there's something like he shouldn't
Oh, okay.
see the